2005 star baseball at Nick Sports Cards, Dallas, Texas. High risk, high reward. Here we go. I'm upside down, so you're going to have to read them.
Cespedes.
Cespedes, that's a good one. To $3.99 auto. Nice. Colton Wong. Wong team for his wife because she likes
Dale Murphy.
Dale Murphy is a very good one. Is that Matt Carpenter? Yep. This is a Cardinals box.
Baker.
Oh my God! Mickey Red! Oh my God!
Woo, look at that!
Awesome.
Is that the last card?
No, don't touch it.
Is it numbered?
Don't touch it.
But can I see it?
No, yeah, hold on. I need to protect it.
And Edgar Martinez. That's a nice auto also.
We had a conversation.
Very
earlier
nice box.
today.